Hi, Greg from DIY RV and Home Campers Life. Today I'm going to take care of an issue with our RV water pump. The check valve in the pump is leaking. It's allowing water to flow backwards through the pump, filling up the freshwater tank and then overflowing through our freshwater connection here. Now the pump is fairly new, and instead of replacing the pump, I'm going to go ahead and install a check valve, one-way flow valve. We have an arrow here, and inside you can see the valve right there. So as the water flows through, it'll go one way, but it will not come back the other way. It's cheaper than replacing the pump, and like I said, the pump is in good condition except for that one issue right there, where it's bypassing. I'm not going to worry about it. So to put this in line with the system, I'm going to need a coupler. So I've got a PVC coupler that I'm going to go ahead and hook onto this, and then I'll put this in line on the pressure side of that pump. Now, yes, they do make some of these check valves that do have a female and a male end. The one I had available right away had male. That's why we got this. Let me show you where we're going to put it in. Now here's where our pump is. The water comes in through this line right here, which I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. Goes through the pump. Let's see if we can move the pump. And then it comes out up this tube right here, this hose, and then comes into the system. This hose right here is the freshwater city connection. So this comes in and then goes up to our system for the plumbing. I'm going to go ahead and remove this line from here and install the check valve right there, making sure that the flow, the arrow, is pointing up because the water is flowing this way. So it won't be able to flow back that way, but it can go that way. Now it's going to be a little tight quarter, so I don't know if I'll be able to truly get all this videoed for you. I do have a little container here to try to catch some of the water. Do the best I can. All right. So first things we're going to do is we're going to put some Teflon tape right here and get this all prepped to go before we start tearing that apart. Now with the Teflon tape on and this coupler snugged up and tightened to the check valve, I also put some Teflon tape on the other threads so that when I get in there, it's one less thing I have to do. I'm going to go ahead and try to get the camera set up so you can see what I'm doing. But if not, just going to take and remove that line. I'll put some Teflon tape right on the threads right here. And then we'll go ahead and reattach this, making sure that the arrow, where'd it go? There it is right there, is going in the right direction. All right, we've got her installed. It was not fun, and pretty sure I didn't get any footage of it because I was right in the way of my cameras. But you can see I got the coupler with the check valve installed in line. Now that the water can flow from the pump up through into the system, but the water from the city connection cannot go to the pump, thus eliminating the filling of the freshwater tank. So I hope this gave you some idea on a way to eliminate the backflow of your city water into your freshwater tank by using that check valve. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Till next time, happy camping.